Morning everyone. Today we'll be using JFrame forms. Here's an example of what we used in JFrame forms in our project. This is the homepage 1 frame, the school info frame, and the tracks offered frame. Let's create a new JFrame form and name it as homepage 1. Basically, the idea of JFrame forms is to drag and drop. Here's an example. Just by adding components such as JPanel and JLabels. Here's an example of us dragging a panel. You can set its properties to red and we can also insert a JLabel. The reason why we use JFrame forms in our project is so that we can better understand what these actually do. Basically, in JFrame forms, you can design the layout of your project in any way you want, such as this one. We can then see that the code is auto-generated. And we cannot delete this. The only time we can manipulate a JFrame form is when we add actions to buttons. Here is an example. Here is when we add actions to buttons. When we click some buttons, a new frame will appear. And the close method is for closing the JFrame form itself. This can be done by this.dispose. Dispose meaning to dispose the frame after another action event has occurred. And here's our interface example. And that's it for our demo of our JFrame frames. It's actually up to you on how to design the layout, as this is just an example. You can design any layout of the system you want. And that's the beauty of JFrame forms.